Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Simply CM. At right now, nasa sasakyan kami guys with my husband. Concentrate siya sa pagdadrive kasi hindi siya sure kung saan dadaan. Anyway, today is Sunday, today is Mother's Day. At the same time, it's our 12 years wedding anniversary. Kaya kami magda-drive. I mean, we're gonna do something, hindi lang yung nasa bahay. So we're actually not sure where to go, but we're driving. We're hungry. We're gonna eat food. And today is a very, very, very nice day, guys. The sun is up. Kita ko sa inyo, everything is like starting to bloom. So nice. Looking so nice. There's water in there. There's the road, and then there's like a little bit mountain area where there's houses on the top. That's super nice. What is this place, Hills?
Hola.
Okay. Is this like a summer houses here?
Yeah.
Okay, because it looks like a summer place. Yeah.
It's 7 kilometers the other way. Most expensive summer houses in Denmark.
Okay, careful. There's
it's more expensive in Skagen now.
Careful, there's bikes.
Houses are. And how long they gotta.
Yeah, it's so nice actually. This is like the best when it's like this, you know, in Denmark. But it's crazy because from one day to another it's like dark and cold and rainy.
And this one, when it's like this, everybody's
happy. When it's like this, everybody's happy, everybody's biking, everybody's walking. Right now, hindi masyado, pero maybe in the other side meron. Yeah, so oh my, nag-camping pa na.
That's why you have to have this.
Yeah, I remember we've been eating there with So anyway, ganda ngayon dito guys. Gandang-ganda ngayon dito. Tapos yung pinakita ko sa inyo na what we've passed on. Those are like the summer houses, summer place dito sa Denmark. So, ang ganda lang kasi parang nasa Asia lang tayo, char.
You take coffee with your cream, you squeak like a teen, and the Hugh Grant stuff you've watched enough, you mumble it in your dreams. You rock out on a broom and mangle some tunes. On weekends you dance in jammy pants until the afternoon. And I know it's hard to think.
You're happy with you? With yours?
Maybe.
Good? Good for you. There. Now we just have to try it out. That's good. It's very like liquidy. You know that feeling? Like you feel like it's so liquidy.
You want it more cream?
Yeah, that's the term. Sarap naman siya. Tastes so good. This one is good. This one's good. This one is very like mild, very thin. I'm used to the creamy Indian food.
That's it. Bye bye.
You take coffee with your cream, you squeak like a teen, and the Hugh Grant stuff you've watched enough, you mumble it in your dreams. You rock out on a broom and mangle some tunes. On weekends you dance.
Didn't expect that.
Also me. Fuck, we almost died. Anyway, guys,
Because I was looking at houses.
we're back in the car. Ang daming tao doon. There's so much people in there. Really, it's like real summer. Tapos, napunta kami doon sa may dagat. People are still they're not swimming yet, but they're laying there and, you know, sun bathing apparently. So, yun. And then now we are here. This is the place where the houses are like super expensive, and it's on the way to Copenhagen.
Strandvejen, aka the beach road, starting from here and all the way to Copenhagen.
It's because nga ano siya, malapit siya sa dagat. It's near, there's water. So if there's water, it means it's expensive. So yun. So now we're
getting
driving.
more expensive the closer you get to Copenhagen.
Okay. So yeah. So, tingin-tingin na lang muna tayo sa mga houses na nandito, guys. Pero actually, I don't see it like special houses. Just a normal looking. But it's big houses, but it, you know. But it's not like something like, oh, it looks like an art kind of house. It's just a house. Anyway.
It's just a house.
It's just a house.
Blah, 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 blah.
Yeah, it's just a house. Like, okay, I've not here, but I've seen in the, like in some videos in the US, right? Like the houses are like, there are street in there that the houses are really made into like, it looks like an art. You can tell it's expensive and nice and big. In here, it's just big. And it's okay, I will show you. That
And
one.
you can show that one.
Okay, that one is nice. This one is just like, okay, that one also, I mean, it just houses. It doesn't have the charm. That one got the charm. I like the, you know, the roof look. That one is charming. The rest is like just stones. Anyway, who am I to say that?
Correct.
This is just Simple CM observing rich people's houses. Apparently.
Look at the spatial building of that one.
That one there?
Can't you see? It's like,
Yeah, that one got a little bit of style. But I don't know. Yeah, it's actually, no, I don't know. It just looks so dry. Okay, let's just say if in Holte, right? When you drive there in Holte, their houses there is much more like nice designs.
You take coffee with your cream, you squeak like a teen, and the Hugh Grant stuff you've watched enough, you mumble it in your dreams. You rock out on a broom and
So guys, oh my god, yung araw na ito, nag-drive lang talaga kami ba? No, hindi, yeah. In a way. Hindi, yung araw is because we've been in the, like, anong tawag nyo? Parang street food area. First time ko doon, so na-enjoy ko siya. Indian food yung kinain namin and kinain ko. Martin had a sandwich, parang Argentina sandwich. Tapos after nun, kasi it's still too early to go home, so we've decided to like roam around, drive, and then we ended up in Tisvilaya. And Martin had ice cream. I had iced coffee. So much people. And sa tingin nyo guys, parang, oh, it's so warm, the sun is up. Pero sa totoo lang, maginaw pa rin talaga. Feeling ko nga parang ako bang may sakit or ano ba, because I feel really cold. So anyway, so now we're back in the car, done with our coffee and ice cream. So now I think we're just gonna go home because I mean, I'm not ready to eat dinner yet. We've just been eating and it's 6:30 in the evening na. So what to do? We're just gonna go back home and then we're gonna eat dinner later, mga 9 in the evening. Kasi it's too early pa and we've just been eating. So yon. And then tomorrow, work na naman tayo. Ganun talaga. Hello guys, nakarating na din kami dito sa bahay. Ang oras ay, anong oras na ba? 7:15 ng gabi. Pero alis na naman kami guys later today because I ordered alam niyo yung app na Too Good To Go dito sa Denmark. I think it's just Denmark. I mean Scandinavia, I think. I'm not sure if it's... Anyway, so my app na Too Good To Go, ginagamit ko siya almost lagi. Kasi guys, it's an app where you can order the leftovers from the restaurants, from the supermarkets, ganyan. So nag-order ako ng sushi and I can pick it up around 9:30 to 9:45 ng gabi kasi mag-close na yung restaurant and then that's the time na parang ibibenta nila yung leftover. So mura lang siya guys, 50 crowns, pero yung real price talaga niya is worth mga 200 crowns. So dalawa yung binili ko. So that's gonna be my dinner and maybe my lunch tomorrow kasi dalawang pack yung in-order ko. And then it's really nice actually kasi the other day nakapag-order din ako doon sa Too Good To Go na app. Ano siya, sa bake shop naman. So mga it's not really leftover. It's like the breads were made early in the morning tapos around 7 ng gabi. Yung mga hindi nabili, yun, nabibenta nila. Bali, pagdating mo doon, nakapack na yun lahat. So, yun din, ang daming, I mean, worth the money talaga if gusto mo yung mga bread, ganyan. 39 crowns din yun. Pero ang value nun, kung binili mo talaga siya, I think mga around 200, 299. Kasi yung, basta, i-check nyo na lang. So, yun. Ngayon, nasa bahay na kami. I'm just gonna relax first. Maybe take a nap. Tapos, magpapa-alarm ng mga 9 ng gabi. You know, actually, mga 8:45 kasi 30 minutes yung parang travel time from here to where the restaurant is. So, yun. At least, may food na tayo mamaya. Si Marty naman, what are you gonna be eating though?
I'm gonna be eating,
You're so annoying. You don't have food?
I figure it out.
Okay, so he'll figure it out kasi hindi siya kumakain ng sushi, guys. So, that's also fine. Relax na muna siya dyan. Ako naman, magre-relax din dito. Okay, see you!